Cash App on lockdown? Sending money without verification, but watch out. Ever been in a situation where you needed to send a quick friend payment, but your Cash App is asking for your life story in verification? It's happened to all of us. Maybe you're new to the app, or maybe you're just not comfortable sharing all your details yet. Whatever the reason, being stuck without that crucial money transfer can be a real drag. But hold on. Cash App might seem like Fort Knox with its security measures, but there's actually a way to send money without going through the whole verification gauntlet. Now, before you get too excited, there are some catches. This isn't a secret backdoor, and it's definitely not for sending huge sums of cash. But if you're in a pinch, it's worth knowing about. So, how do we bypass the verification? Well, Cash App operates with a few limitations for unverified users. These limitations are there for a reason, to prevent fraud and keep the platform secure. But they also open a small window for unverified transactions. First things first, let's talk about limits. Without verification, you're capped at sending and receiving a total of $1,000 within a 30-day period. That's not exactly whale territory, but for smaller payments, it can be a lifesaver. There's also a maximum balance of $1,000 you can keep in your Cash App. Alright, limitations noted, how do we actually send that money? The process itself is pretty straightforward. You'll open the Cash App as usual and navigate to the Send section. Here's where things get interesting. Cash App offers you 3 ways to send money, using someone's phone number or email address, their $cash tag, which is like a username for Cash App, or by scanning their QR code. Now, for unverified users, sending via phone number or email address is a no-go. Cash App needs that extra verification step to confirm the recipient. That leaves us with $cash tags and QR codes. If your friend has a $cash tag, that's your golden ticket. Just enter their $cash tag in the designated field, type in the amount you want to send, add a quick note about what the payment's for, always a good idea, and hit that sweet pay button. QR codes work similarly. If your friend has their QR code handy, scan it with your Cash App camera, enter the amount, and send that money on its way. Important side note, while this method bypasses full ID verification, you will still need to provide your basic information when creating a Cash App account. That includes your name, email address, and phone number. So it's not completely anonymous. Now, here's the part where I hit you with the reality check. This unverified method is best suited for small, occasional payments between trusted friends. It's not ideal for larger transactions, and it definitely shouldn't be used for anyone you don't know well. Remember, once you hit send, that money is gone. Cash App offers very limited buyer protection for unverified accounts. If you send money to someone who ghosts you, you are pretty much out of luck. On the flip side, verifying your Cash App account is actually a pretty simple process. It just involves taking a picture of your ID and a quick selfie. Once verified, those sending and receiving limits shoot way up. You can get a Cash App card for easier spending, and you unlock all the features of the app. Think of it as an investment in your Cash App future. So, there you have it. Sending money on Cash App without verification? Possible, but with limitations. Use it wisely, and for goodness sake, verify your account when you can. It'll make your Cash App life a whole lot smoother. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.